Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, as the Bible in the book of Nehemiah 2:18 reminds us, then I told them about how the gracious hand of God had been on me. They replied at once, yes, let's rise up and build. So they began this good work. Today the gracious hand of God is on us. Let us rise up and build our nation. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, in the same vein, like the people of Jerusalem who rallied to rebuild their broken walls, we are also being called individually and collectively to rise and rebuild the spiritual, economic, moral, and political foundations of our republic. This rebuilding, however, is not solely the work of hands. It is first and foremost the work of the heart, the mind, and the spirit. It requires unity, faith, integrity.
Mwancho murigereria umuraivense musike William Ruto ka ukona kurwa ase umoyigoyo nigo anyara agusingerera ugusaba ukwabera kucha ase Chinsa chire chiamate asense ya Kenya buna bonenseri ya Tanzania ense ya Buganda abasae beke koli igia Gen-Z aiga asense ya Kenya na bakenya bonsi nekiragoteba una anake ekiro eserikali anyare guchabugeka nabo ebonete gusaba amabera ritugeriga rya masabo nekiro atebire eyunenchire yemo yokogorana igo yokogorana nabo igo kwanekia buna ase mutukare bosio amagoso buna ria bereka koreka tago chikonyara kwenekiwa.
And therefore, I want to ask us as a nation, as a people, to work together, to do less of finding fault and to do more of building bridges that can make us even a greater nation. I stand here to tell you that I am confident about the future of Kenya. And I have no doubt in my mind that Kenya is truly a blessed nation. And the future of our country, no matter what happens, is going to be greater than our past. And so, ladies and gentlemen, friends, our neighbors from Tanzania, if we have wronged you in any way, forgive us. Our friends from Uganda, if there is anything that Kenyans have done that's not right, we want to apologize if there is anything. To our children, if there is any misstep, we apologize. To our neighbors, if there is any misstep that we have done,
mwancho murigereria gukwanira umoyegoyo bwa masabo abene kira umwaka kose yo gukorekana kira umwaka ane muno gakorawa no murai wense nigo obono murikito bwa magana maya mienda sam anyari gotwariganira roboti igoro ya ninki kiagerete amasaba yaiga agachaka kuri umwaka abwechiri bubere na isato kose 2003 gwikira amatuka yaiga na ikiabere korekana ase amasaba yaiga agokorekana kira umwaka gosa korekana rimaso umwaka ase Chinsa chamambia.
Umurobrio wa masabo yani National Prayer Breakfast asense ya Kenya no umurobrio ochagetigwe umwaka o 2003. Ekerenga kia masabaya no kureta abaraibe chingencho ao irio kwenekia obomo anene muno asobomo bwa siasa obonchoreria edini naboigo okwaberana.
That there is always a better tomorrow, and Kenya's resilience relies in all of us together.
Amasabo ayaiga nigakorekana kiro mwaka ayobwate ekerenga kiaye. Amasaba matangani nigakorekanete aso mwaka o 2003 ekerenga kiaye nigo kiarenge okoreta omorembe. omwaka o 2008 gakorekana irio koreta omorembe magega yechisegi cy'omwaka o 2007 na boigo omwaka o 2008 omwaka o 2010 agakorekana busibo bochori bwo koreta richikoria iririmanyakaine buna richikoria 2010 omwaka o 2018 amasabayega agakorekana irigotinya okubwaterana kw'omuraibu ensi bw'ekinga ky'ekyo Uhuru Kenyatta omuraibu echama ya ODM Raila Odinga okukwamanyikanite buna handshake.
Rabin and Arafat could shake hands. Mandela could shake hands with de Klerk. What is wrong in Raila Odinga shaking hands with Uhuru Kenyatta?
Around together and deal with the issues that make our lives of our people.
Mwaka o 2003 amasabayega agakorekana iriogochengera emyaka 20 magega yogochakigwa kwaye.
It is very interesting that the theme of this the last prayer breakfast here, was again around the same. I remember in that prayer breakfast asking for forgiveness from my friend, the former president. And it is interesting.
Eritukuria rero amasabayo nigakorekana emambia rero ase ara uno muraibu ense Daktari William Ruto egatia baraibande obanyara ko bagwikirana ase ensemeyu kurende mamincha na bangi bakagirite buna omusikira Raila Odinga na ikirane asa amasabayo eriogotinya obwamatebu aye no muraibu ense Daktari William Ruto ase serikali barosia emanyikaine buna broad based
that this country is going to go places.
Reporter ya Egetasene kia Getembe Chinsa miyenda
mwancho murigiria ayona yanda mange na boko yanyora asinchira yobwenge gekoika Chinsa 10 jarero maragoba na boigo asinchira ayobwikirano ase di Chinsa Ibere na boigo Ekeonga Chinsa 4 nigongo bairanira mbio mono kigima kiagira kwa gendere ko mwegeno ime ya Getembe TV asabono gendera gutigara ime yomorobirio gose nyara goswa ase omorobirio o vibes on vibes enere Nicole na boigo DJ Reels gendera ko ba mwegeno ime ya Getembe TV.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.